Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Abranti a wo frɛ no Kwame Yogot oye ndwumtuni e wo Ghana hanom na abranti na sen o the video bi ebetu dwa a o kyerɛ sɛ Vice President Dr. Bawumia His Excellency ne campaign a wo kon minim sɛ na ye campaign na Vice President and Enkrofo Muko say ye by election na ekoso e wo asen no fino omode ndwumi ye campaign no minti menkyere Abrante Kwame Yogot e kyerɛ sɛ wa bonjo na minim sɛ Kwame Yogot no sɛ na wa boy campaign song e wo Ghana ha no also Vice President Dr. Bawumia e de ndwum e ye campaign nto abema no wone abusuafo ye hwe video ne kaka
just like that. Na ye fan say ye fa odi ye fa nwom ne ka no kra no enwom no ebra ma bra wo ho ne ekwan ye fa no fa nto nchen you. Do you know unim ensusuaso ebeba me so e wo enwom na we use to as campaign because me I don't support NDC and I mean support MPP. O me anso bi kan bi say Jokwesin I mean now. It is a mede, and you know, many 4 kings here, you know. Send me the video to us. Oh no, I am in Anna. Joke wasting. I am in Anna. Oh no. And I'm people for 9 sano. Who really simple, hands down, no more channel. I am a court, cobra, and now you Uber you sue any pan and name the IO campaign. Hey, what's that? Oh, maybe I didn't attend the say. And you sue me you find your campaign. Papa na wo mo cheno no wo twini gridi no nku na ni ma se ni bibi ni nana na me Kwame Yogot me nana no and wo be use me nwom e dey I campaign me patcho ja nwom no use no da use but dem be can say the man should stop using my song ba o me patcho ja me nwom na use no papa na mo twini ase no mo twini form no Jokwesi no ne nana na me and
ebusuafo ensema Kwame Yogot e kan na e wasenseme mu e na Felix Apia political zone abema ne reply a o cheza ho na Vice President Dr. Bawumia no e DJ e na okọ campaign obehu ndwum kra anasa ogina campaign ase na okasa no ono baka ka DJ ne se bondwum we onye DJ nti onim mienti a ondwum kopie ho nti wontum entwe camera ensi ne so sa obema ne wone because onye campaign song enfa man no a wantu a waka one man one yenti nsema Felix Apia political zone ede etuja
boy we Abrante bi a mekwesi Apia metie me penasem pa especially the way you see Joki ene nenyom na I don't blame him too much for he saying say ma sebe yen yusu ne song for campaign. The only thing he failed to understand, and what he failed to know, Nene say, Dr. Bawumia don't select the songs he's going to hear at the rally. Utie, Kwame Yogot say utie mia, oh yeah, astute guy. Jachikwesin ya wona know so your papa that don't give a damn, because one anano ye kromfo or ye wi, one anano what they need to mean ashen and sa ebe we are Ghana for parliamentarianship. If I send north into say ye can or you be clear say obey you when nimka so ye sebe o na know say dem and abe ye de one mobra or ye criminal or ye cromfo or ye fraudster or say a truffle, but not to even put that onto it. Let me tell you something. Sadie we are you are going to kill your own career big time. Yogot, you will get hype for a week. The media no ombe use the wire hype and they are ton papers for a week, but after that week Kwame Yogot share a whole performance na share wo artistry the way you be to me do. Don't allow bitterness to steal the championship or to steal the gifts that God has given to you. Don't allow bitterness to change you from who you are. Dr. Bawumia or NPP does not select songs. And if you didn't know, whenever a political party holds you and lifts you up, right away you catch fire. So that your dead career now, you are begging Kwame Eugene to resurrect it for you, no. So say Kwame Eugene also no or person also go international into a course sign Nigeria. Into one kasa no nipa was sign a man no so akọ sign for bi. Ona naja achiko isi no Canada no tie wo sika anko betumi dia hye wonnwum mu nanka wabulo. Nso ade se wo koda Kwame Eugene e studio e prapra ho akoda aketo Kwame Eugene papa wa bodwi semu sebe dwene okọ na wakọ prapra Kwame Eugene efie wa prapra ni studio na ya yenwom ya to chorus de amawo ya twa video e de amawo ona nana wugina ha enu nti wo de ba buru wo bitiri so no wote Canada no wo jiska wentumi ansesa wa brabo we invest into your music career nso we be gina ha edi jimi. Wait and see after just this whole hype here wunya in the news no, and you see the rest of your life the way ebie. This is not a campaign song for Bawumia. Okay? That is not a campaign song for Bawumia. When you go to campaigns, you're born young baby, until you're born out there be framework. It just shows say yours is popular or it is speaking to something. It doesn't necessarily mean say you won't know do be better power free. Now save your own self. Usa, stop the bitterness, stop the foolery. Don't follow these people who haven't done anything for you people as creatives. Now, asemba kwa me pese me do. Ya papa John Dramani Mahama. Matese creative art for no. Eba TV sober radio so. Nana Mahama was better. Mahama was better. Na Mahama ye say. And I was trying to pinpoint or find the Mahama yema omono. Utie. The Mahama yema omono. Pese mi hu esunsun so ansoa omunyaye. They are only me who yana say ebinum nya opportunity to two kwan ye kok a year na ye de omoko e de omo afrako. Then they bring you back to Ghana. Your minimum wage stays the same. The price you wage for movie stays the same. There is no to your revenues or to even collect your copyrights. So, modia eshemu trimune say, yemfa mamu ende ya na mundi. Mr. Mary, welcome. Especially, sir, Kumewood actors, some of them, they are not only lazy, they are very foolish. They don't take advantage of opportunities when they come. Oba screen suna gane huna di unimane se girl be dino anajo. Or kwabontia yebe point and then they say that is the star going, not on nam form. Nothing to secure the future. Nothing to invest. So today, no cement me activeokrana me will be able to fall back on. They didn't do that.